Hi guys, welcome to the Bike Century. My name's Ben and today I'm going to be showing you this stunning Honda CMX500 Rebel. It's an A2 legal custom cruiser, 471cc parallel twin. Fantastic little bike this. Great for people who are just looking to get into the custom cruiser scene, or for people who are returning, or just for people that want something that isn't too juicy, something that's just going to kind of chug along, but great fun to ride. This is a 2017 17 plate bike, 2 owners from new, and it's been really well kept. So let's start from the front. As you can see, the tyres are almost new. This bike's only covered just over 3,000 miles. So tyres, brakes and everything like that are in immaculate condition. This is the ABS model. So you can see the ABS track on the inside of the brake disc there. Single disc on these, doesn't really need the twin discs. Got a small fly screen on the front. You might want to upgrade that just to give you a slight kick, push the wind over the top of the rider, but perfectly adequate. Cosmetically, the bike's in really good condition. The only marks to speak of are a few tiny marks on the end of the mirrors there, clearly where someone's been pushing it in and out of their garage. Nothing too much to worry about there. No signs of any drops or scrapes. The bike's in really nice condition. As you can see, again, potentially a little mark there where someone's been pushing it out. We can change the exhaust for you if you'd like an aftermarket exhaust. We offer discounts to our customers. We give 10% with free fitting on anything that you buy with the bike or after the bike indefinitely. This bike does come with a luggage rack and it comes with the forever leather panniers, which are in really, really nice condition. Let's come around the back. So again, on this side, you can see it's in really nice condition. Chain and sprockets are almost like new. No signs of any drops, bangs, scrapes or anything like that on this side whatsoever. Cosmetically, the bike's in really, really nice condition. 2 keys, full service history. Also has the 12-volt socket on here as well. So if you want to plug in a sat nav or anything like that. As you can see, just over 3,000 miles from new. Let's just give her a start up for you. Happy to take any inquiries on the bike. We offer a 3-month warranty and we're offering free delivery during the lockdown, so make sure that that's something you can take advantage of. You can reach out to us via WhatsApp, Facebook, the website, and of course you can give us a call. We do part exchange, and as I mentioned, we do discounted accessories for customers as well. Thanks very much for watching and look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.